Hi everyone. In my last 3 videos on time, I covered the future, the past, and the present. This video is a follow-up on the present. It has activities and games that you can use to practice being in the present moment. If you haven't seen videos 1, 2, and 3, I put links in the description, as well as other links to full videos of clips that I used. Let's get started. One of the best ways to practice being in the present moment is paying attention to your breath. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Now it sounds so simple, but it's hard because other thoughts want to pop into your head of what you're going to be doing later on in the day, planning, etc. So if that happens, that's okay. Just get back to the breath and breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Feel the air come in through your nose, and then feel the air go down through into the lungs and then out. Pay attention. And again, if other thoughts come in, it's okay. It takes practice being in the present moment. It's the best way.
So a lot of times, maybe I'll just sit here and take 5 conscious breaths. I will feel the air go in through my nose, the coolness of it, and then listen to the sound of when I'm exhaling. Just by doing that, your mind can't go off in the future or the past. It's only in this present moment.
Another way is to extend from that, called a body scan. You can feel your feet without moving them or touching them. Just think and feel your feet. Can you feel your left foot without moving it or touching it? Can you feel your right foot? Can you feel your hands? Different things like that is kind of cool and fun to do. It's called a body scan. Another way to be mindful is feeling or touching the warmth of the glass, the smoothness, the texture, of the coffee, and the taste, and the smell. Now, coffee doesn't have much texture, but I put butter in the coffee, and so I can taste and feel the difference. Mindful washing. Being aware of the sound around you. Maybe it's silent. Maybe you can hear birds that you wouldn't normally hear if you're unconscious and thinking of many different things and problems. So be aware of your surroundings and what you hear. Pay attention. That's being in the present moment. It takes time and practice. Reciting mantras is a good way to stay in the present moment. That's actually one of the most popular. Buddhist monks practice that. You can feel the vibration, and it's very relaxing. But you can use a word or a sentence and just repeat it over and over. It keeps you focused in your thought only on that and keeps you in the present moment. I was at a Buddhist temple in Thailand, and it was incredible hearing all of them recite the mantra together. It was magical. Here's some exercises with your hands that you can keep your brain focused. Just simple hand exercises. Pretty simple, huh? Well, here's one that I've never done before that I just kind of trying to learn. And it's this and this. Now I want to switch my pinky and my thumb. Switch pinky and thumb. Switch pinky and thumb. And see if you can do that fast. Anyway, there's a number of different exercises I have in a link below. You can practice mindfulness with hand games. The late monk Thich Nhat Hanh is great at demonstrating and teaching how to be in the present moment as well. He likes to teach how to do everything mindfully, including walking. Try walking every step you take, being mindful, being in the present moment.
I like to pour the tea mindfully. And when I pour the tea mindfully, my mind then does not think of the past, of the future, of my project. My mind is focused on pouring the tea. You focus your attention on your in-breath. And that is called mindfulness of breathing. Mindfulness of pouring tea, mindfulness of drinking tea, mindfulness of walking, mindfulness of breathing. And when you breathe, you focus your attention only on one thing, your in-breath. And every step can generate the energy of joy and happiness.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit like and subscribe if you did. See you next time.